So welcome back to my channel. This is your man, the golf Pongenex. So in that day, nazum with ya, too beautiful. And look at this. I love this place here. It caught my attention. Alright, then a picnic can be group out one na. If you can come, then you can come here and have a picnic with your friends and family. There's enough space here. And Tushi and his wife is also here with me today. And look at this view, guys. Amazing, right? And this is the road that you can take your vehicle up, and also there's one here footpath where you can walk in to this place, so you have to take this road. So it's just in the highway of Chotsuma only, a way to this thing, quick car resort, way to this thing, the bypass junction. So it's just here only. So it was a random visit. Okay, we just decided to come. Thought of not vlogging, but we came here. And so ito jaga do hai do lok nuguna do man lost lage bani to angi dikhao na khali mone ka sari bi no to apne भी दिखाई दो ना अपने की दिखा से तो क्यों से तुझे बस की है 너 진짜 내 끼에 사고 ट्राई करो स्नेक टाइप होला नहीं रे की है सावो ट्राई एक्सप्लोर ट्राई करो कहां से हो तुम कहाँ से हम अफगानिस्तान से ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं है ऑस्ट्रेलिया वो लोग तो वो मेरे भाई है हम तो अफगानिस्तान से जगह बाल है लेकिन मेरा AK-47 कहाँ रख दिया ना फ्रेश ना हवा तो वेरी फ्रेश वो मजा आ रहा है वाओ हवा भी लो मारिया से तजुन डांस कर रही थी मैं जो कबल डांस लगना कबल डांस करना तो चिल्ला माइकल जैक्सन का मूव तो इन्हें देखने पुला ला की गुले तो क्या तू तो सन वॉक कर दो सन वॉक कर ना ये भाई तू याद रहे Sunwalk rather sunwalk. Jungle walk na. Ito yung gimana balik at view. Wow, looking amazing. Na. Oh bro, kickboxing like that ida mo ang dikhai na aji to. Chalo, ekta dikhai do de. Chalo. No. Nice. Tosu to. Aro? Last ekta. Hi. By the way, taikan la da kickboxing la class bi khulina ja ajili notun to naam ki daisila apni la mongin na mongin kickboxing aro address location ki location do pula de do duta guest duta ki daisila duta theta sorry theta coaching center ta kya do tan bongori na cha do da guest house kona korna je do tik Mizu church pa nami biside tar rasta niche jai de to niche rasta pura complete hude tare se chalo to ite to shuru je na school full swing shuru je like ini so moromba icha tak to 3 student ase aro dujin notun join gole ase aro next month expect kora ase duita tinta gole school fee do ko le do dusa na da issue do 4 5 6 7 yabi loi manon do loi amian do per month de do 1500 Our admission do 2000. Chalo. 15 to bishi susta. Hoina. Man like na ko. Monday to Friday loe. Our personally train garage na ase ami. Hoi. To apnian interest thakile kumba apni la cousin kan friends kan neighbors kan to la enemy kan loved ones anyone interested in this school to shi kan la de morumbra I think description de la number di do contact kuri tagi na kuri aro anything you want to say bro. Like viewers sange kom jado like kickboxing do bishi manu do like fight la bhavna kurle do it's nothing to do with fight kila man fight to ring di khile bishi bag to ring de point la match thake ole bi bahar de usually do man fitness kini kurala ase aro sometimes hoy like kuma manu angi do upai nai like apne manu marole kurase ke kole do defense cholai na best to pola bal do encourage kore hoina to ulta na bhabi kickboxing do like fitness kini ase chalo thanks there ro aro konchna just one last question idu तो लगा स्टूडेंट कंकुम बा टूर्नामेंट kan dibi participate kore
mola student do ekta dagiche chadlong gona
이참에 다 join 거나 세 officially도 노힐리비 join도 join 미시 또 따이 올림픽 때 나갈랜드 올림픽 때 따이 bronze 파시
तुला सुधुन्ना तो बाला से रिपीटिशन बाला से तो चलो तो गाइस प्लीज हरी अप तिरी नोगे जोइन कर लिदे जल्दी मजा होला दे इंटरेस्टेड स्पेशली यूएफसी सागन ना खुशी बागन सो इना जेरो जगह तो मंजा बुइदेगे तो हवा बिशी बाल बाजदे और मान चिल आजुबा very nice अपने भी आयो लगे तो जगह तो alright so couple time आज तो मला सिस तो vlog teman नाइ वो क्वासे तो मुई ताकि मन लाने ले ताजिंगे मान बाल दिखे जको couple goal hey couple goal क्या ऑपरेट पर जना उलप दिखाओ अपनेंगे मुझे तो आई दिसी पोला दिवी तो जगह लिवी तो आंगे आरो दिखाओ ना after long time आया जी मुझे तू सिगी सी थैंक्स तबा लेकिन आ रहा है तो रिफ्रेश कर दी मेमोरी नले तो जगह दे तो मूवी पोला बचन दे हाई स्कूल डेज थे आया है मुझे तो एडी तो प्रॉब्लम आना है मुझे after that ना लिवी आज एरो टाइम बाद मुझे जगह तो भी सुंदर से आया ना पिकनिक को बहुत जगह ना स्पेशली you can come cook and have food and also यदि भी पानी खेती शुरू हो जाए धान लगाना चाहिए भी नाइस या वाओ और दादी बुआ से ताजुन और दाजु खोरो वाओ तो ये देख पाओ ऊपर जाओ रो किम सको इसको लाइट है देखिले तो ना whole life इना traveling gan करना explore कर ले मुन जाएगा हालवी free ride around way easy no it's not easy to walk like it's not easy to travel whole life so there are some people who are doing full-time traveling there are some people I'm not saying it not paro do go in paro probably it will take like go finance all of kiba lage support na all of bhal thaibo lage dulu to free ride na parwa so our sponsors either sponsor bhal thakile to kun hoy sponsor bhal thakile to kun hoy ro idu bi parwa to muita ahe to ta diwa ase apne bi gobe comment how do you like this place or if you are asked to give a rating on this place kiman diwa apne bi sena mamuja no hoy rasta to just keep on going cha dekile to main road yo lai jai de opore na to tati na ja moi hajila vlog pi man lamba no khata ho nokru bai se jido kimsa go ni aina relax करना vlogging भी नुना जिदो नि बुयो bai se libi ठीक अपने की याद आइसे अपने की नि दिखाली भी तब मुन मुन जेन ना तो कुछ जल्दी भी अपने की दिखाने मुन जाला you know जिसे धरने yeah if I'm selfish I will not vlog but since मुई की दिखे जे मुई की खुशी बाजे तो अपने की भी शेयर कर ले मुन देखेबा आज भी vlog करे जे मुई धरने yeah I hope you're enjoying the view and if you like it if you love this place I na visit kurbi apne भी please to come and visit this place also and yeah picnic can be grow paro to na friend kan dina to idia ro mari ni chi jaje ta de je ho fale ta jun to I can see but camera din dikhi ta junge to nichi jawo ro ta jun time lo spend grow hello bara ba buina olai jo mom bi na je aju to kam ko nai to si bi class nai go ja aju to so yeah oh my god look at that view amazing right amazing so this is the place where I'm right now look at that beautiful view wow udon do sab meri ma side ase meri ma so udo jaga di jadegi mom pula I think I have a vlog there also tadi bi vlog banana ase moi so ita jindo opore ase moi ta jingi opore rakhina ase moi niti degi na lo aro ido jaga di lo explore korna apne ki opor dekhina moi ki tadi nami ase moi and then yeah not forgetting ido highway ase Zubza lana so yeah I can see Zubza oh that is Zubza dikhi ase aro cloud olop kala ho ase kuma jaga de pani puro bare lo pichi de to pani pishin do pura ki mo bi olai jawa aro jaga de ki kole pani khiti to sob jaga de ase to you know very well these days sob jaga de pani khiti ho ase to so yeah ma muja aro to kasna pichi dangor role play cross de do kasna I hope everyone liked yesterday's video and yeah odo jaga muida jaga li jana basketball do area forest colony la do bana do manon bishi appreciate kora dikhe moi so thank you so much for I apni an molaga video de appreciate kora ni bishi thank Aro apni angkuma jaga jani guli bi comment likhi dibi so that I can also go and explore. Mui kumba do na jani thako pare apni jani la so apni murun ba gudi libi bishi kushi bawo so that I can go and make a vlog for all of you again in abi ase. So yeah, aro movie kundo jaga apni gi dikha je apni bi aro visit bi guri bi ina jaga dibi na so that it will be like ki gowa apni bi ina notun memory bi banabi ina jaga de na. It's all about memory, right? Creating video and bana aro jaga visit karo. It's just all about creating memories only. So yeah. Alright, there, see niche de panic kitty mamuza. Monangumba in as panic kitty de Jujula the and then look at this valley. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nah. Over Sunduras Nali. Very beautiful. I think last time Visa Mujin Jala Panic kitty and was nigga Visa Mujin last time. Jana stay Grishna, Pempu Hate. Udo Jagados. So yeah. So yeah and so yeah and so yeah nah. And Kiropima of the Hiaze, they were powerfully. Hopefully Kiropima the Hiaze. Ah, Sundar jaga kim sago. Too beautiful. Aro, it's just worth coming here. I hope like don't be. Jaga to doze mom bide kedo. Aro nichi di lo bina se. Sun bi ola se. Aro pani bi lo drizzle grassy ti aro achanak. Lui I am under this tree. The tree to mugi shelter dia se. Last time bi mui kuchna apnyange. I think di bar ko ti da vlog ti kosne ki mui. I think mui ti da vlog ti kosne ki kaslana naga like palio lagi guna na idora mugi shelter dia jeta shade dia so pani girishli bi all of the safety is I have this thing race house pe as mu bitor jago boro pani fi girili do bole kwanjina eto kaspi moza de mugi man help graze yeah pani jora gili do of course help to no grow bare man do na bole yeah that's an opportunity mu idelo race graze over gushi baze and then yeah I'm very soon again idu ki gole ekta jaga notun jaga lu jola jab nyangi we first time jola jade I've never been there so I'm going to visit that place very soon and I'm going to letting every one of you see so I'm excited for that also yeah and then also like if possible only I'm planning to also do one very long ride that means if I go there I'm going to stay for at least 4 days to book like what jaga ina jaga ta jawli plan garze I'm just planning. I'm not letting you know that I'm going there. Like sure as you don't know, I'm planning. So thi khushi lo apni gi video dibi very soon. I think eto jaga ase muam buita ko la do ajido aro jaga lak to ko dikhole na ji khali to jaga ji se aro eto jaga dikhole mun dai ji bui apni gi na ole machor bishi ase machor mosquito bishi ase so be careful long sleeve lagawi hat kan bon gri aro parle ki gole eto weeks kan na durina helipsi balo le machor kamar bimar hoy dia na. So guys, we're heading back now. One day jaze. Opore tajimi videography chalu. Aro koma busi mano andu tia to kheti wa khor jai jala time ase. They're getting back home now and we're also getting back home. Khor jana edit kro upload kro. So yeah. Ajikali to pulan china rati birauna pare ase. Man diri because I have to reach home, edit ko lage and then upload ko lage now je na. So yeah. But it's good only, right? So idam one scooty rakha jaga mola park korna dekha jaga pungji jaze I can see my pasandi. So and also yeah good news to shigan laga chamili bi panai luise to inaga say update to amikal na 2 ami 2 itu say curry rasta 2 na to highway there raging mona mola 2-wheeler do that is where we park and we're gonna return home now and I'm also praying you also pray for me mula GoPro julde hole that means the camera which I can put in my helmet and vlog GoPro now every night we're gonna pray today just kidding so just yeah not only kidding but kidding with fact na so it was like that to like that don't be it's the needs it's not one it's needs mutajan I have it I think I'll end my vlog from here in this place but doesn't give you a so yeah excited alright diwa jashile to be highway jaw bari de connect kuna na do thing ba birang gani ase busti monan kheti jagan na edi bi bu jaga ita ase thik edi bi ole mon do opore bi deise o opore really good tajim bi bungji dia highway de connect kuse tajin la chamili bi banai luise and this is my pasandi always roaring like a lion nah ठीक है तो guys thank you so much for watching till the end and ajila jaga do apni kushi bajila please to give a visit not just only watching from your place but I need your experience to make a memory So Guanjana mula vlog to khata itiwa mui engro. I'll see you the next vlog. Everyone please take care, be in a good health and do what you love until then. Bye bye and
bye bye.
Spirits you can't burn. We are wheels you can't turn. We are fire in the dark. We are here forever. Won't you come right in? Take mine. I've been there and back again. Waving at
so guys, mas sundar waterfall ke sayo pipe prap ya kuri jiwa. Na sis. Mas sundar jaga suno hai. Sorry je sini. Waterfall ina namiala sini. Ah, nure to just sundar je.